Good evening all employees. I just want to say that we're getting ready. We have 10 minutes till the show starts. I want to thank everybody for all their dedication this past year. And I just want to say I'm in a really great mood and nothing can bring me down. And that's the mood I want all these... You son of a bitch. You just sneezed on me. Give me it. Mr. Give me it. Damn thing. I want him to be an example to all of you. Watch this. Daniel Bryan, you are stripped of the World Heavyweight title. And you son of a bitch, you're fired. Why am I fired? You fucking sneezed on me, you nasty bitch. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get. We need a new world champion. So I'll do what I always do. Triple H, I'm going to slap the belt on you. Come take it. Yep. Here you go. If you want, actually, if you want, I can make you the tag team champions. Yeah. I can picture it now. World tag team champions. Triple H and his nose. I like it. Alright, I like it. Cut, print, take it. We're moving on. Alright.